COVID surge in China, which owes itself to the BF.7 Omicron variant and which might unleash a new coronavirus mutant on the world, has left the country struggling once again. Hospitals in the country are turning away patients, and the infected are sleeping on benches in hospital corridors or lying on floors amid the rising concerns. Experts have predicted that over 4.2 million cases will be reported in the country by March next year, while the government in China has stopped the publishing of COVID data after a leaked document revealed that around 37 million cases were recorded in the country within a week. China, which ended long quarantines, lockdowns and mandatory testing, is now experiencing its first ever national COVID wave, and ICUs are overwhelmed. Even though China has claimed that there have been zero COVID-related deaths since easing restrictions, crematoriums are overcrowded, indicating the extent of the COVID surge. In Hebei, the elderly are getting infected, and it has caused an overrun of ICUs and funeral homes. At a hospital in Zhaozhou, ambulances were turned away as the ICU was so crowded, according to some reports. The report from the city of Zhaozhou further revealed that crematoriums' furnaces are burning overtime as workers struggle to cope with the spike in deaths in the past week, according to one employee. A funeral shop worker estimated it is burning 20 to 30 bodies a day, up from 3 to 4 before COVID-19 measures were loosened. China's Zhejiang, a big industrial province near Shanghai, is battling around 1 million new daily COVID infections, a number expected to double in the days ahead. The cities of Qingdao and Dongguan have each estimated tens of thousands of daily COVID infections recently, much higher than the national daily toll. According to a report by Reuters, some medical staff in the country have claimed that resources are already stretched to the breaking point in some cases, as COVID and sickness levels among staff have been particularly high. The doctors who spoke to the Reuters said that they were most worried about the elderly, tens of thousands of whom may die, according to estimates from experts. More than 5,000 people are probably dying each day from COVID-19 in China, Britain-based health data firm Airfinity estimated, offering a dramatic contrast to the official data from Beijing on the country's current outbreak. The National Health Commission did not immediately respond to a Reuters request for comment on the concerns raised by medical staff in the article. China has narrowed its definition for classifying deaths as COVID-related, counting only those involving COVID-caused pneumonia or respiratory failure, raising eyebrows among World Health experts.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.